Yeah. No matter how much niggas hate on me, dog, I'ma still do me. And that's real deal Holyfield. Oh, let go.
And I'm on. I don't care what haters say. Got money all up in my way. So like a stereo, I turn on. So come on, come on, come on. Cause I'm on. Life is like a man. I'm just trying to finish it. I have any day. But I guess that's just what it is.
You already know what time it is, dog.
Damn, I hope life don't be this way when I'm gone.
I'm sick of innocence and tired of being quiet. So much anger in my system, my mind that caused the riot. Nigga, I'm is what you ain't, and I do what you can't. Now I done put around and got money in the bank. Now I got so many backstabbers, call them young saints. My swagger on a stupid rank, I give it out. No Macy Grace. I don't have friends, I have associates. But we don't talk friend shit, to me that's inappropriate. I see money just like Oprah did, and now I'm at the money just like Oprah is. She never mentioned life was such a roller coaster, but I'ma get Mo. Call a nigga Mopra, or call me Mopro. Or shout it, call me, I'm the shit, that's why I act the ass, no homo. Boy, my life is a show, and I took that credit from my city, no and still got haters, but so what? They don't wanna see a nigga let me blow up, so I blow up in the face like a damn firework. Somebody tell me, am I wrong for wanting this world to change? Don't want this place to be the only with likes in my name. Damn, let me be careful what I wish for, cause when life get hard, sometimes my only wish is to go. But I'm wrong. But I'm out. Oh, let go. I was tired of running was tired of me. But I'm proud of struggle, cause I made it a dream. Live, love, and life, I made it my team. And if you ain't neither the three, get like me. Yeah. Cause you gon' need both three to fight me. Cause I'm on.
Life is like a man, and I'm just trying to finish it. Till I have rainy days, but I guess that's just what it is. Damn, I hope life don't be this way when I'm gone.
Hustler, baby. Yeah.